Toby, look at Daddy. Smile.
Have you ever tried filming a cute family vlog at an underwater-themed bowling alley? No? Well, I did, and I told everyone to look cute or else. That means no crying! So quick backstory, we took a summer vacation out to Branson, Missouri, and spent a couple nights in this beautiful lake house. And I know what you're thinking, with a view like this, why would you ever want to leave? Cause there's underwater bowling 2 minutes from the house, duh. What a perfect place to film for a travel vlog.
Okay, ready?
Can I make us look like a perfect family?
Wait, why is it so dark?
Today, we are going bowling.
And it's gonna be themed underwater!
Too boring. Let's make this more interesting. Today, we are going bowling.
It's gonna be themed underwater!
It's not just any bowling, it is...
Underwater in the sea!
We're fish bowling!
Yeah!
No such thing as too much editing when you've got no footage, am I right?
And here it is, voila! Looks nice.
I mean, if we're gonna get 100 million subscribers, we need to make this more interesting.
Beep bleppy.
Hi, kids.
Brilliant! We'll be big in no time.
We're going underwater bowling today, kids.
This place is called Fun Mountain at Big Cedar Lodge in Branson, Missouri. And what a great spot to take your kids. I mean, look at the centerpiece. Steampunk slides coming out of a pirate ship. And there's a bunch of other really cool things, but I filmed none of them. So let's get straight to that underwater bowling alley. Wow! This is amazing! I've never been in a themed bowling alley before, and this does not disappoint! It's rich in meticulous detail. From statues to the lanes themselves, especially the ball returns. Nobody puts this much effort into things like this, but my favorite out of all of them had to be this octopus, mainly because he's crushing a ball in one of his tentacles. That's sick detail and super creative. And look at the screens! It's like a coral reef! What an awesome place! I am blown away. Great job, Fun Mountain. So let's go ahead and film our fun family vlog. Let's start by filming the intro.
All right, Axel, are you...
All right, the person holding it accidentally stopped recording.
It's going down.
And they did it again. Let's try it one more time.
Axel, are you ready to lose?
No.
I don't think my wife realized she was on a live set.
What do you think of the bowling?
Oh, mommy bitch.
All right, here.
At this point, I realized I have no idea what my angle is.
Okay, we're ready.
At first, I was gonna make it just a straight bowling competition.
Hey, gutter ball!
But none of us are very good, so who's gonna wanna watch it? After one round, we're tied 0-0. We tried to get my son Toby to play, but he was not interested at all.
Axel's turn.
And after making his brother roll for him, Toby tried to run off into the arcade. And that's when the crying began. What kind of a story is this?
Toby, it's your turn. It's your turn to bowl.
But this time, he decided to be a good sport and give it a shot. Now, if only I could teach him to look at the camera and say, like and subscribe. And after this, he didn't want to bowl. He just wanted to go to the arcade. And I didn't even know what to film anymore. So when our food came, I filmed the food. And then I couldn't remember what I was actually filming anymore.
Yum, yum. We originally intended to do a very fun bowling video. Toby did not nap, so he's been screaming and crying the entire time, unfortunately. So this is gonna be a very brief video. There's food, there's bowling, it looks cool. There you go.
And that's all the footage I have in probably the worst video I've ever shot. The reality is, the only thing that complicated this day was trying to film it in the first place. I learned after this that I don't need to film everything. It's okay to just enjoy time with your family. And if I want to go film a cool place, treat it like work, not like family time. So in the end, all the chaos was my fault. But if you get a chance to check out Fun Mountain in Branson, Missouri, this place was actually really awesome. Thank you so much for watching, and in the name of Jesus Christ, the Son of God, may God bless you.